Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. In last two video we have learned that how we can use flow of and as flow. Means in the first video we have seen how we can use flow of to stream out the information, and the last video we have seen that how we can convert the list like this into a flow, and then we can use flow to stream out the information, applying all the filters over this. Now in this video we are going to learn that how we can use flow lambda expressions to generate flow. So just I am making comment on this. Now I am creating the same value flow data, and here I create a flow lambda expression like this, and here I'm going to use that. So what I do, I say delay. First of all I just print the value, so I say I want to print the value 0 to 10, then for each you want to take, then I say the it, then we will have a value here. So we have to take another type of for each, this one, and here we say it, and here what I will have for each, and then I will have the value that I want to emit. So I say emit it, this value will be emit, and I just take a delay of 1 second. So after 1 second the information should emit. Remember that here I am generating a list for each, one by one I am getting a value, I am taking a time of 1 second, and I am emitting. The emitting is must here for flow. If I remove this we will have an error like this. That's why this is must to emit the information. So one by one, first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, the information will stream out from here, and it will run only when I will use this filter function or this collect function to fetch the value. So already we have this filter, so I remove it, and I'm using here collect. So one by one the value will come here, and I'm adding this value to the list, and then I'm passing this to the greeting, and here we are printing a list of information. Those are streaming out from the flow. So you see, this is the way to use the flow lambda expressions. So try to run it, and then we will apply filters also and operators also on it. You see, same kind of information we are receiving as we were receiving from the list of and flow of. Similarly, we are using now flow lambda expression. By using lambda expression we are generating a value. Any kind of value we can generate. We can fetch the information from the REST API, and that value we can stream out. It depends on the requirement of the application. Now we can apply here map also. You see, so what kind of data I want to use this, so I can out and I can check the information. So just I multiply by 2, so it will multiply each value by 2. So map we use to modify the each value under the list one by one. So here I am multiplying by 2, and I am trying to say that this information can be modified, or you can do anything whatever you want. So I am just running here to show you that we are also able to use map also on this flow. You see, we have the information like this, and we can apply here filter also to filter information from this. What can I say here? Now here I can say that only the odd information I want to send out. Like this, I'm sending only, I'm putting a condition that if the odd value is here, then we collect the information. Similarly, like this condition, you can also say that if it value is greater than 5, then only we show the information. You see, all the value that is greater than 5, then only it will display. You see, the value is coming from 0 to 5, but it not displaying here. It displaying only the value that is true by this condition, and that condition is it should be greater than 5. So any kind of condition you can put here, and you can filter out the value, and then collect will receive all the value that is coming from the filter. So as usual, we can also apply filter, means operators, map, filter, or some other operators on flow, and we can use flow lambda expressions also to generate information, to generate the streams, like we did by using as flow and list of in a previous video also. So that's all in this video. I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn anything, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.